asking some money. We're walking back now, I think, because the Starbucks is closed. Here. We'll try here. Another Starbucks. I don't know if they're open though. Where to go? Okay, this is it. This is our last choice.
How much is your hot chocolate?
Yeah, hot chocolate now.
Yeah, and cappuccino and everything.
Oh no. But happily, we're gonna have visitors. Yeah, Raquel and them are sleeping over. Okay. We're here.
Just to have somebody by my side. And I don't wanna hate you, I don't wanna take you to anyone anymore.
Napang kami na pang gutmana, hindi cafe. Nagsara.
Bye.